in pol,
Ja.
tako da zelo tak na normalen tempo, nista hitra, nista pa tudi ekstra počasna, tako da...
Gre pa v redu.
Ja.
Niti ne bo.
No, bo videl.
On the lenses where I first time fell, I was really disappointed because I knew that was a foot slip and I could do better.
Actually, there were so many different styles, so many different moves. It was very dynamic and every pitch was special.
Oh, nice.
Bravo, Domek!
Hvala lepa. Oh, yes! Huda, tam je bila pa res všeč. Moja najbolj zabavna od vseh.
At the beginning of the pink pitch, it was like a big dyno, and I fell, I think, 3 times. I saw Domen doing that pitch really easily, and I knew that with all the gear I had to be climbing, it will be hard for me. The pink pitch was like longer moves, jumps, bigger holds, so it was a little bit harder for me and like easier for Domen.
Oh, nice.
Oh fuck.
They have to be prepared for anything basically, because I don't know how they will react up there.
I haven't been in the wall for 11 hours before, and it was hot, it was cold, it was windy, and I didn't feel comfortable. Ne, jaz definitivno idem še enkrat cela, definitivno.
Ja, tako boš ti naredila tako vmes.
Ja, meni vse enkrat ne narediš, jaz samo da jaz idem še enkrat cela.
Ja, pa ne grem.
Dejansko, samo še...
Sam zdaj je ta hardcu.
Zdaj je to.
To želve so ta najtežje, to se spomnim.
I had a huge fight on the hardest pitch on the first day. And I gave everything I had, I gave 100%, and it was really hard for me.